Hello Zoom and Groom dog groomers. This is Kyle Martinez and I'm going to be going through cleaning ears and why it's so important and how to do it. In this presentation, you will learn the keys to dog ear cleanliness. This includes vital canine ear information, how to actually clean the ear, and how to deal with hair that is inside the ear. You may be wondering why it is so important to clean out dogs' ears. The external ear canal is often where earwax and other debris and bacteria can build up. Too much of this wax and debris will cause irritation and inflammation, and this will lead to an infection. The signs of an infection are odor, frequent head shaking, and redness of skin inside the ears. And regular ear cleaning is the key to preventing ear infections. So, there are different types of ears and cleaning supplies that can be used. The breed's ear type will determine how quickly bacteria builds up. The dogs with floppy ears, such as a Shih Tzu or a Basset Hound, they will be most susceptible to infection due to low airflow into the ear. When you're choosing an ear cleansing solution, you're going to want to choose one that is recommended by professionals and that avoids alcohol and hydrogen peroxide, as these can easily irritate the ear. You're also going to want to use cotton balls and cotton-tipped applicators, or Q-tips, and then tweezers and grip powder if that's necessary to pluck inner ear hair. Now that we know why it is so important to routinely clean dogs' ears, I'm going to be going through the steps of actually cleaning the ear. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open the ear flap and look at how much inner ear hair is coming out the ear canal. If there's too much, then it must be properly plucked with tweezers, and we'll get into this in the next slide. So, assuming that there's not too much hair, you can get started. You're going to want to hold the ear flap open and place some ear cleaner on the flap near the opening. And this will just get the ear cleaner around the ear canal and sort of make sure that it's clean before you go in. So the next step is to gently position the tip of the ear cleansing bottle into the ear. And you have to make sure that you don't go too deep, or you could end up squeezing ear cleansing solution too deep into the canal. You're going to want to do a light squeeze, and this will fill the ridges of the inner ear canal. So before the dog can shake its head, you have to massage the base of the ear near the jaw where you can feel that cartilage. This will help loosen that bacteria and debris in the ear canal. Once the dog has had a good shake after this, you can moisten a cotton ball or your cotton-tipped applicator with the cleansing solution. And then you're going to want to wipe out the ear canal as much as you possibly can without going too deep again, so that you don't damage the eardrum, so that you can also still clean out any loose debris that may have been shaken out. And the ear should be fairly clean after this process. If you have determined that there's too much hair coming out of the inner ear, it is important that you safely pluck this hair. So the first thing that you will do is sprinkle a small amount of the ear powder onto the hair coming out of the inner ear, and this is for grip. You're going to want to make sure that this powder covers the inner ear hair so that it is not too oily, but it can be gripped. So you will want to use the tweezers or even your fingers to grip a small amount of this hair at a time, while ensuring that the hair that you grab is coming from the inner ear and is not on the outer ear. Once you have this hair gripped, you will want to give the hair a sharp and quick pluck. It should come out fairly easily and with little pain. Do not attempt to pull too much though, because you will hurt the dog if a huge chunk is actually pulled out. And then you would want to repeat this process as much as you can while the dog is still comfortable to clear the inner ear. It's important that you massage the ear after each pluck so that you're not really going too hard and irritating the inner ear. If needed, someone can help keep the dog still and provide treats to keep them comfortable. it's also important that you do massage the ear also during plucking. And after this process is done, you'd be able to efficiently clean the ear much better. And this concludes our training tutorial on how to clean and safely pluck ear hair.